Hello and welcome to this week's weekly outlook. Going to start off with dollar yen. This is a weekly chart and this is the zone that I'm looking at. Resistance here, support. Bit of a deviation back above this level, support, and holding as support. I'll put this level on the screen and we'll go down into the lower time frames, H4, and just look at how this level's performing. So heavy buying's coming in at these points, these pivots. So looking for a break above Monday's high. If we go down into H1, Monday's high being here, break above there, H1 close, and looking to target these highs and these highs. All depends, stop placement all depends on if we just go like this, be up, then stop will be underneath swing point, and if we come down like this, then I'll judge it by where the swing point is, etc. But bullish bias and looking to get long above Monday's high, and then stop placement will depend on how structure forms. Let's go on to pound weekly chart. We've sold off heavily before from these regions here, and a little bit of support and resistance in here. So as it's coming up in here, I like to trade reversals, so it could come up and take out this swing point, but I'm following structure and will be on hand to look for any selling coming into the market. If we go down into the H1, this is a structure that I have, support at the moment. Monday's low coming in here, so we will need to break structure, and we would need to break Monday's low for me to get involved to the downside, and that's quite simply how I would do it, and nothing too spectacular there. Similar with EURUSD. On the H4 I have this channel, so we're at the top of this channel looking for selling opportunities, and just because maybe the higher time frames are bullish, you cannot look for trades in the opposite direction. So sold off from this area before, following structure up, and we'll look to get involved to the downside. Probably prefer this because we'll go on to euro pound in a moment, but we'll see how, if we can break structure, get below Monday's low, and I'll be open to sell that and looking for previous week's low as targets, and maybe even lower if we get momentum. Go on to euro pound daily chart. This channel I've been looking at for quite some time. We did break out, retest and selling. Now anything below this support and resistance zone is bearish in my eyes, so looking to sell euro pound. So we'll see how structure goes, but this is Monday's low at the moment. So if we break below that, I'll be looking to get involved. No real target at the moment, just going to try and let it run. We've come up and tested these lows and rejecting, so these lows could possibly be next in line. Move on to dollar CAD, and I'll leave it with that. There's a few other pairs, but I'll leave them for the group. If you want to join the trading group, the link will be in the description. You get daily videos and daily trade ideas. So we'll look at dollar CAD monthly. We do have a huge level here, support and resistance going through here, and we also have huge buying coming into the market here. So I'm looking for some opportunities to buy this, following structure on the H1, and if we put the data dividers on, we can locate Monday's high, and at the moment all I need is a break above. That'll have confirmed a structure break, and that'll be above the higher time frame level, and then I'll be looking for previous weekly levels to go, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, that's really your lot. There is a lot more in the cards, but as I say, and we'll leave that for the daily videos. Any questions, let me know, and yeah, if you want to subscribe, that would be great. Give the video a like, that would help out. Really means a lot and really encourages me to post out more videos. So wishing you all the best of luck for a profitable week.